Hello everyone, nice to see you. My name is Vicky from Goki's Dianxian, also from Goki's Dian.ru. And here is my information. If you want to our website, you can order and we will give you a best discount. Yeah. Okay, now today I bring you one of the hot style shoes, Authentic Air Jordan 11 Retro Concord. Okay, now let's check it. Yeah, as you can see, very cool shoes. Yeah, do you think so? And if you like this, you can go to our website, Goki's Dianxian. And first, let me check the box. Yeah, as you can see here, you will see a white Jordan logo man on it. And here you will see a finger. Yeah. Okay, now let's check the source of information. Okay, now let's open it. You will see a white paper. White paper. Yeah. Let's check the detail of shoes. Okay, now this side you will see a black color with a white midsole. Okay, a very cool shoes. Okay, now let's turn to the toe cap. The toe cap you will see a very special material. And the other side. Okay, turn to the back. Back you will see 23 letters and here a black Jordan logo man. Okay, now let's turn to the bottom. And at the bottom you will see several colors. Yeah, and Jordan logo man in the middle. And here you can see a real cover. Okay, now let's check the source of it. Inside of information. Yeah, can you see it? Okay, now let's check the insole. Here you can see 9.5 side and the Jordan logo. Okay, now let's check the other one quickly. The side and the back. The other side, yeah, very clearly. And the toe cap, so tight. Here you can see a Jordan logo and with a white soles. Okay, now turn to button. Now let's check the floor button for you guys. Yeah, very clearly and with a real cover. Okay, yeah, it's very cool. If you have this one, you must be very cool. Do you think so? Yeah, okay. If you like this one, you can go to our website, Goki's Dianxian, and we will give you a wholesaler price. Okay? Yeah. Now, that's all my detail of information. Thank you for your watching. Okay, now see you next video. Bye bye.